Hey y'all, IRIX Sky here, and if you've watched my channel for a while, if you've been a subscriber for a while, you probably know that I really love creating how-to videos. And with that being said, are there any tutorial videos, any how-to videos that you'd like to see me try to film within the near future? I'm always looking for topics. For example, throughout the day, whenever I encounter a situation where I don't know how to do something and then I figure it out, you can check out a bunch of videos on my channel. How to set the time and date on an automatic watch, how to program an Audi garage door opener, how to find the keyhole on a Volkswagen car. Everything that's just a few examples of things that one may encounter. How to photograph a waterfall. There's tons of tutorial topics. So if there's anything in particular that you think it'd be cool to see me try to address face on video, comment down below and I'll see if that's a how-to video that I can film in the near future and post here on IRIX Sky's Adventure channel, because I'm always looking for how-to ideas. I love filming how-to videos, I love editing how-to videos, and ultimately I love publishing and sharing how-to videos with the world here on IRIX Sky's Adventure channel. So again, I'm an independent YouTuber. I'm not part of a multi-channel network. Nothing wrong with channels that are, but I'm an independent YouTuber, so I'm always looking for new video ideas. So comment below. I appreciate your viewership. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And oh yeah, if you want to support me on Patreon, you can find my Patreon link within the video's description below. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Sky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.